Happy World Mangrove Day!
Today we're celebrating World Mangrove Day. Why is that? It's because we celebrate the immense value that mangrove forests have by providing numerous ecosystem services to local actors on tropical coasts, but also to humankind worldwide. And we call for protecting them where possible and for re-establishing them where necessary and feasible.
Mangrove ecosystems provide habitat for various organisms, ranging from iconic animal species such as the Bengal tiger to microscopic bacteria. Many of these organisms contribute to fundamental ecosystem processes and thus also support other ecosystem services. It is not only the number of species that matters here, but also the diversity of their species-specific characteristics and their interspecific genetic diversity, both of which will warrant adaptation potential to global change.
As part of the biodiversity encountered in mangrove ecosystem, we find a lot of crab species, among which several are used as food source. Also, a lot of fish species use mangrove ecosystem as nurseries or as shelter. We observe that even single rhizophora trees, thanks to their root structure, can provide a habitat for solitary or shoaling reef fish. Therefore, mangrove ecosystems represent an essential support for fisheries.
The physical structure with many very small particles and the chemical composition with large amounts of organic matter make the sediment of mangrove forests act like a sieve for pollutants and surplus nutrients. And this keeps the coastal waters clean.
Growing mangroves capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, incorporating it into their biomass. The complex root structure of mangroves captures fine, organic-rich particles from the coastal waters, incorporating them into the sediment. The anoxic and saline conditions within the sediment slows down the decay and stabilizes the organic matter for centuries. These three aspects make mangroves one of the most effective carbon sinks globally per unit area.
The complex root structure of mangrove slows down the tidal surges and attenuates waves. Also protects the coast from erosion. They shield coastal lines from the impact of storm surges and floods, thus safeguarding coastal communities.
Mangrove forests play a crucial role in providing various cultural services to coastal communities, enriching their livelihoods and traditions. They hold spiritual importance for local communities, often being revered as sacred sites or being deeply intertwined with local customs, ceremonies, and folklores. Additionally, mangroves also offer opportunities for ecotourism and other recreational activities, fostering a deep connection between people and nature.
As a Colombian partner says, researchers come and go, but the communities are the one that actually stays. In order to generate sustainable projects that have positive impacts on people's livelihoods, their voices, needs, and ecological knowledge should be a focal point on designing what the Ocean Decade called transformative sciences. That way, we assure inclusive sciences that are based on the realities of those it seeks to benefit.